Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius fire sign. This is August mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. Messages for Sagittarius. And what's going on. Sagittarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? So under the deck, strength, 7 of wands, 7 of cups and 4 of swords. Sagittarius, lots of you are in no contact situation or in separation. You are healing, you are taking rest. Sagittarius, I think you are fantasizing about them a lot, or for some you are in some confusion right now. You want this person in your life. You still want to fight for their love, but for some you are defensive. Yes, for some you are defensive and you are working on your strength, inner strength. And you want to overcome this struggle. Maybe if you are in separation, you want to overcome that separation pain and you want to take your power back. Yes, you are working on your inner strength. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 3 of cups, ace of wands and page of swords. Lots of you are involved in third party situation, Sagittarius. There was a lot of passion between you and your person. You both have a lot of attraction towards each other. And lot of spying is going. If you are in separation, there is a lot of spying. Maybe you are spying on them or they are spying on you. There is attraction and there is passion. Then present, Queen of Cups, Wheel of Fortune and 5 of Cups. Definitely you are still missing them because you are in separation or no contact situation. You are still missing them because you have very, very strong emotions towards that person. You are in Queen of Cups energy. You are very sharing and caring person, Sagittarius. And still you are waiting for right time. Maybe you are waiting for right opportunity also because Wheel of Fortune. And things will turn into your favor, Sagittarius. Don't worry. And 5 of Cups is a temporary energy. This is not a permanent. Then future, 8 of Pentacles, the Devil and 6 of Wands. So you are concentrating on your career, 8 of Pentacles. You want to create more money and you are obsessed with money. What I am getting here, you are obsessed with money, not with relationship, because you are obsessed with success. See, 6 of Wands. You want success in your life, especially in career wise. So what I am seeing here, obsessed with career, obsessed with finances. But somewhere you are also obsessed with your person, but it is not very dominant. In past, maybe you have a lot of emotions towards your person. Still you have emotions, but not in that much. So right now your total focus is on your career. And for some, this person may be really toxic for you. They are always in and out of your life. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Sagittarius, let's see your person's current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. 2 of Wands, 9 of Cups, Devil, see, 8 of Pentacles. I think your person is also career oriented person. I think you both are obsessed with each other for some. For some, you both are addicted to each other and they're wishing for this connection and they are thinking about you a lot. And for some, you both are in long distance relationship. Even though maybe for some, you person have options. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Ace of Swords. 3 of Wands. Okay. Ace of Wands. See, 2 aces here. Definitely they want passionate new beginnings. They're still waiting on you. They want positive growth in this connection. And they want to give clarity, some truth coming out. I think your person want to communicate with you because Ace of Swords, they want to give clarity. They're still waiting for you. and Ace of Wands. They want passionate new beginnings. And see, under the deck, Two of Cups. Love is mutual. They are also very, very sad. Yes, they are missing you so much. They are heartbroken without you. They want rebirth in this connection. So let's see their intentions. Two of Swords, Eight of Swords, Six of Wands and Two of Wands. Your person is very popular for some in their circle and they are thinking about you a lot. Sagittarius, they are stuck on you. Definitely they are in the process of making decision. They have to make some decision but they can't. They are at some crossroads. Your person is at some crossroads and their current intentions, Nine of Wands, the Hangman and Seven of Swords. Yes, definitely they did hurt you in past. Now they're scared for rejection. That's why they guarded up. But they're still very attracted to you. They still want passionate new beginnings with you. They are stuck on you. They can't let you go. Yes. Maybe you think that they moved on. No. They're still thinking about you. They're still stuck on you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Two cards. Sun. See, they are realizing you both. They are realizing your love. And Six of Cups. They're thinking about marriage and definitely you are on their mind 24/7. Yeah, they are feeling guilty what they did to you. Definitely a lot of arguments, lot of disturbances between you and your person. For some, family could be the issue here. Your person feeling overburdened. Their emotions are running high, but they are very, very passionate about you. I think in past, your person may be in and out of your life. There is no stability at all. But now, they're thinking about you a lot. That's why they're still waiting for your call or message. But you are on their mind 24/7. You are on your power, King of Wands energy, Sagittarius. Ten of Pentacles. You are concentrating on your money. There is financial stability is coming for you. You are focusing on your abundance. And someone is rushing to communicate with you, Knight of Swords energy. This person is very, very passionate. I think you both have a lot of passion towards each other. But at the same time, there are some issues. So let's see mutual energies. See Knight of Cups. Eight of Wands. Lots of communication. Definitely in the month of August you will receive communication or text from your person and I think you both will communicate very soon back and forthly. They will express their cup of love to you and there is equal give and take is coming. Yeah, they're coming. Waiting game is going right now between you and your person. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Sagittarius. I'm serious about you. Yes. You are pure perfection. I'm feeling sad without you. All I want is you. You are pure perfection. I'm serious about you. I'm feeling sad without you. All I want is you. These are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Conclusions are within reach, full moon, eclipse. So definitely there are some conclusions are coming for your problems. Especially when full moon eclipse is going. And the second, hold your vision, second message. So if you are dreaming about something and you want to achieve something, this is the message for you. Hold your vision, definitely it will come true. Do consistent hard work. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.